Dude, that one's gnarly. That one's really gnarly. That's not just a bottle rocket. Oh, shit. Like, Nick almost blew up the drift car. Are you kidding me? You're lucky, dude.
How does this one work? You just light the whole
You never
thing
had
on fire?
fireworks when you were a kid?
Yeah, you just light the whole thing on fire or what?
That was all?
Dude, we did how to do two-step.
Welcome back to the channel. This one's got Nick Muller, and he is installing some new interior pieces on our 240SX giveaway car. Starting to look pretty sick, but our interior is in bad shape.
I think that's an understatement.
You're right.
It's really bad.
This is bad.
It's really bad.
This is our ECU. We still gotta mount it. It'll be chill. But this isn't. Walk over to the driver's side, pull on that. Okay. See, got a bad situation.
Hey, I'm pretty much done actually. You can end the vlog.
It's gutted.
You can end the vlog now.
All right, so we got new door cards with that old school 90s pattern. So we're gonna put those in. Nick's doing all the manual labor today.
That's right.
We got new door cards. If you've got a 240 or most 90s Japanese cars, you're gonna know about this problem. All the plastic trim is broken and none of the switches are something you can find and buy. Show them what we got, Nick.
We got 3D printed parts.
From Japan?
No, I think these came from
eBay.
Probably Latvia.
So these are on eBay and I wondered if they were crappy, if they were nice, but it's pretty interesting when they came, they're 3D printed. You can see the texture. And the switches are like a universal switch you can source if they ever go bad. I'm sure they'll last forever. And it came with instructions on how to wire it. And there is a complete replacement for each door. It clips in right there for our locks and windows. The third piece for the interior is the best. Huge shout out to DND Performance Interior. I'm gonna put a link below for their products. I'm pretty impressed by it. This is the first DND piece I've had in any of my cars. Nick, show them what we got.
It's a new steering wheel. It's leather.
Ooh, this thing is nice. It's got a metal center, black leather, gray ring.
Oh dude, don't forget the most important part. It's got a carbon fiber horn button. So in theory,
Stop moving. Thanks.
in theory, you go beep.
Got it. I'm handing you off to Nick. He's gonna install these parts and show you what it's like when it's done. Moment of truth. Oh, yo!
What?
Ah,
Fucking blew it.
the locks work. Windows don't work yet. Where we're going, we don't need windows.
Wait a second.
Oh!
But for some reason this other one doesn't work.
I don't think it's plugged in all the way.
I think it's not plugged in all the way. I think it is.
We'll be right back after this commercial
Wait a
break.
second. said the F word. You can't put that on the internet. Will you bleep it?
Scare ya?
Yeah, I'm scared.
Dude, I threw 2 at you that were duds.
Whoa.
And you didn't even notice, and then we blew your ass up.
Well, you know what, dude? You know where you sleep, and you better expect at least one of those in your ass tonight.
Don't worry, dude. There's more where that came from.
Yeah, that's what happens every time I...
You think you're safe when you sleep tonight, you're wrong, dude. I'm gonna blow you up in the bed I made for you.
Alright, guys. Quick little update.
Show the people what you got, dog.
Jordan's doing some stuff. Come over here. Old shitty steering wheel, it's going soon. But now, oh, you push that button, you roll the window down. You got a window that goes down. You got doors that lock. We're stoked. Stoked, making progress.
Man, these things look so good.
Dude, they look really
this color,
good.
like, matches.
I love it.
I'm hyped on them.
Honestly, so hyped.
These are sick too.
Dude, it's clean. It looks really good.
That's a nice replacement.
Yeah.
I get it, it's not OEM. Like, OEM would be ideal, but that's not easy to find.
But like complete is better.
Yeah, like this
Than
is
broken OEM?
nicer than like every other broken one.
Yeah, it's better than a broken OEM one. That's for sure. Oh wait, I got one last piece. Forgot about this. It's really important. Will you hold that for me, buddy?
The brittlest old brittle.
This is really broken and brittle. But you know what?
We'll run it.
There it is. Boom. Boom. Look at that. Dude, it looks good. You look good. Yeah.
What though?
Hey, buddy. Just creeping back there. Oh, it looks good. All right, let's do the steering wheel next.
This thing is so nasty. It used to be a suede wheel.
Wow, it's
And-
a suede wheel.
Yeah, it's still a suede wheel. But as you can see, someone with really oily, sweaty hands.
So look, we like to call it polished suede.
This is called a really gross steering wheel that someone spray painted. Let me see that bad boy.
There you go.
D&D Performance Interiors, thank you for hooking us up and supporting our project. This car is going to be so much nicer inside with this steering wheel.
Good save.
It's the little things that I love about cars, like seats, steering wheels, that make the driving experience just better. Yeah, like you can close the doors now without it falling off. All right, it got super late when we finished installing the steering wheel and the new window switches. So I had to film the ending today, but it's okay. This actually works out way better because the giveaway is now live and you can enter to win the Kouki that we've been building on the channel. So all you have to do is hop on our website. There's a link below, and for everything you purchase, you automatically get entered to win. There's also a list of official rules and everything you need to know about how you can enter and how a winner's picked, everything like that. So check it out. We just dropped all of our new products, at least some of them. There's gonna be more to come for this giveaway. I think you guys are gonna like them. Check it out. I totally geek out over the product design. And this new D&D steering wheel is freaking nice. It's honestly nicer than the Sparko that I have in my Subaru. And whoever wins this is gonna be pretty hyped. I've driven this since we installed it, and it feels so good. Just the hand on it, it's sturdy. It's not like bending like a cheap knockoff wheel. Feels super nice. So pumped on that. Thanks to everyone who's entered so far into the giveaway. Helps us do more rad builds, grow our channel, and do more giveaways if this one's successful. So if you guys have been following along, you've enjoyed the build, and you want your chance to take home the Supertuner 240SX hit that link below and get entered, guys. Thanks.